Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to slay your ponytail in a quick and easy way, and also I'll be giving you some tips on how you can make your ponytail as full as possible. And yeah guys, let's jump into the tutorial. So yeah, this is how the ponytail turned out to be, and I'm really loving the outcome. So guys, if you want to know, if you want to make your ponytail as full as this, all you need to do is to sew your ponytail in a U pattern. That is, when sewing, make sure that you're going in a U direction, like so. As you can see guys, see how the pattern looks like. So once you do this, your ponytail is gonna come out looking full like so. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I wore this ponytail even without sewing the parts where you need to wrap it all around. Like, I honestly totally forgot. I ran out of hair, so I just felt like, okay, I just need to make this video and yeah, show you guys how it looks like. But not to worry, even if your extension is not much and you're unable to sew that part where you need to wrap, don't worry, you can still wear this ponytail. I'm just gonna show you guys how I was able to do that. So yeah, first you need to part your hair into two, because this is a ponytail, this is a high ponytail. So you need to part your hair into two so that you can be able to slick your hair and make sure that the hair is snugged as possible. So I'm basically just using this product to just make sure that my hair is very sleek. This is a V1 gloss actually. So once you do that, you need to apply any frizz spray that you have. I'm using this spritz product for slicking my hair, and then once you are done with that, you just brush that all the way up and make sure that it is looking very sleek and very nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that with the rubber band. I'm using a 2 rubber band for this guys, because in order to get this this high ponytail flat as possible. So once you are done with that, I'm gonna work on the upper part, the front part of the ponytail. So yeah, I am basically just applying the spritz spray so that my ponytail will look as neat as possible. So I'm basically just doing the same process that I did for the back. So you just apply the V1 gloss, and afterwards you apply the spritz spray. Yeah, just brush it all the way to the back like so. And once you're done, you just take your rubber band and then connect the front to the back of the pony, and yeah, this is how the high ponytail turned out to be guys. So yeah, once you're done with that, basically just gonna do the baby hairs, the front edges like so. So yeah, just keep watching and let me know what you guys think of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So guys, I also want to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting me all this way. Like, you guys are the best. So yeah, just keep watching, and yeah,